Fujifilm Fujinon XF 70 to 300mm review. Lightweight telephoto with pro sharpness that actually works.
You're standing at the edge of a trail, finally spotting the hawk you've been tracking for an hour, and your telephoto refuses to focus. Too far away. Wrong minimum distance entirely. The moment evaporates before you can even reframe properly. A photographer I know missed an entire safari morning this way. Lens too heavy to carry comfortably, too slow to catch anything that actually mattered. The frustration cuts deep. Have you felt that sinking disappointment when your gear fails you?
That kind of failure piles up dangerously fast. Missed birds in flight you'll never see again. Sore shoulders from lugging heavy glass all day. The visceral ache of knowing your lens actively limits your creativity instead of freeing it completely. A wildlife guide once told me he'd stopped bringing his camera entirely because his telephoto made every hike utterly miserable. You deserve so much better than constant compromise. There's a real path forward.
That's exactly what the Fujifilm Fujinon XF 70 to 300mm f4 to 5.6 RLM OIS WR was designed to solve from the ground up. Don't just pick any telephoto zoom. Make sure it has true close focus macro capability down to 83 centimeters so you never experience the frustration of beautiful subjects sitting just outside your minimum focus distance again. This lens delivers 107 to 457 millimeters equivalent reach in a remarkably compact 580-gram body that feels impossibly light. Linear motor autofocus that's fast and virtually silent for tracking wildlife and birds without disturbing them. Optical image stabilization providing up to 5.5 stops of correction for razor-sharp handheld shots even at full telephoto. Weather-resistant sealing for total confidence in rain and dust, and an extraordinary 0.33 times magnification ratio that lets you capture dragonflies and wildflowers with stunning frame-filling detail most telephotos simply cannot achieve. A nature photographer nearly missed documenting a rare orchid bloom during a demanding jungle trek until she realized this lens focused close enough to capture intricate macro details without ever switching glass. Everything finally clicks into place. The reach is genuinely there. The sharpness is undeniable in print. And here's the part most reviews won't tell you. The difference becomes your new normal within the first week of serious shooting in the field. Your backpack feels noticeably lighter on every single hike. You stop second-guessing whether to bring the telephoto because it's no longer a physical burden at all. Workflow becomes genuinely intuitive. Distant wildlife at 300 millimeters, then a butterfly at close range without frustrating lens changes or missed moments. Efficiency replaces hesitation completely. A professional camera review publication noted during rigorous lab testing that the XF 70 to 300mm delivers sharpness and chromatic aberration control that genuinely rivals lenses costing twice as much across the zoom range. A respected wildlife photography educator shared with students, "I recommend this lens to every beginner. It's hands down the best entry point for bird photography on any APS-C system available today." Real users consistently report keeper rates exceeding 70% for challenging birds in flight when paired with newer Fujifilm bodies. One dedicated traveler mentioned, "I've carried this lens through Iceland, Costa Rica, and Japan. It's never once missed a shot I genuinely cared about capturing." What about the cost compared to the heavier 100 to 400mm alternative? You save significant money, nearly 800 grams of weight, and gain dramatically better close focus capability simultaneously. The learning curve is essentially non-existent. Mount it, shoot it, love the results immediately. Does your current telephoto truly cover macro, wildlife, and sports without constant compromise? See why so many professionals refuse to shoot with anything heavier anymore.
You're looking at a telephoto that genuinely redefines what lightweight reach actually means in practical terms. Professional sharpness without the professional weight or cost. Macro capability without carrying a dedicated macro lens. Weatherproof confidence without the bulk or handling fatigue. Join the growing community of Fujifilm shooters already experiencing consistent creative freedom across wildlife, travel, and nature photography every single day. Results may vary depending on specific shooting conditions and individual technique, but the transformation from constant compromise to pure capability is absolutely unmistakable in real use. Click the link in the description and discover the telephoto that finally covers everything. You deserve glass that keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.